I'm John, and today we're going to study phrasal verb stories. First day at work. Before we start, here are some tips. First, watch and listen to the story. During the story, try to guess the phrasal verb meanings from the context. Next, answer the quiz questions after the story. Then, watch and listen to the story again so you can understand the verbs. After the second listen, there are explanations and examples. Finally, leave a comment below and practice. I'm your YouTube teacher. First day at work. When starting her new job, Emily's bosses showed her how to clock in for work and clock out when she was ready to go home. She knew she had to take on new responsibilities, so she went through training. Sometimes she struggled to get through tasks, but was always willing to work hard and learn from her mistakes. Emily is so determined. She always works towards her goals. Quiz time! Pause the video for each question. Emily's bosses showed her how to clock in for work. What does clock in mean? Record start of work. Record end of work. Start a new job. Look at the time. That's right, it's A. Record start of work. And clock out when she was ready to go home. What does clock out mean? Record start of work. Record end of work. Quit a job. Look at the time. That's right, it's B. Record end of work. She knew she had to take on new responsibilities. What does take on mean? Accept. Move to another place. Become a boss. Start work. That's right, it's A. Accept. She went through training. What does go through mean? Start work. Work hard. Go somewhere. Experience a process. That's right, it's D. Experience a process. Sometimes she struggled to get through some tasks. What does get through mean? Focus. Work hard. Go somewhere. Survive a process. That's right, it's D. Survive a process. She's determined and always works towards her goals. What does work towards mean? Quit your job. Work hard. Work to achieve. Work and go. That's right, it's C. Work to achieve. Let's apply it. Watch the video again with the definitions. Repeat the story with me to help you memorize. After, you can see more examples and write your own sentences in the comment section. Let's go. First day at work. When starting her new job, Emily's bosses showed her how to clock in for work and clock out when she was ready to go home. She knew she had to take on new responsibilities, so she went through training. Sometimes she struggled to get through tough tasks, but was always willing to work hard and learn from her mistakes. Emily is so determined. She always works towards her goals. Examples: it's important to clock in and out at work to ensure you're paid accurately. I've decided to take on extra projects to develop my skills. Before you can become a certified machine operator, you have to go through extensive training. Despite the difficulties, he managed to get through college and find a good job. I'm currently working towards a promotion at my job. Phrasal verb extras. Clock in and clock out are often used at work. They're still used today in some professions, despite advancements in technology. Take on can also mean to compete against or challenge. Go through can also mean to examine, or literally go through, for example, a tunnel. Phrasal verbs are all about context. Get through is not the same as go through. Go through is normal. Get through is more urgent, for survival. Work towards is often in a motivational context. Separation. We can separate some phrasal verbs. We have to memorize the verbs we can separate. This is a very difficult skill to learn, and there's no easy way except practice. It's best to repeat what you hear and hope to learn naturally. A great place to practice is the comment section. We can't separate any verbs from this story. All must be together if we use them in this context. Extra examples. Every morning, I clock in at 8:30 and start my work. After a long day, I clock out and head home. Our team decided to take on a challenging project. She went through a lot of difficulties, but came out stronger. It's tough, but I'll get through it. We're working towards launching a new product next quarter. Thanks for watching Everything English with John. Please like, share, and subscribe. For more information or private classes, please visit my site, everythingenglishwithjohn.com.